Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 5th of July 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 5th of July 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which of the following institutions has recently launched Accelerate Vigyan scheme? Answer is SERB. Long form of SERB is Science and Engineering Research Board. And recently, SERB has launched Accelerate Vigyan scheme. Second question was, which of the following organizations has released a report titled Towards a Clean Economy along with Rocky Mountain Institute, that is RMI, recently? Answer is Niti Aayog. What will be India's GDP growth rate in the financial year 2021-22 as estimated by Fitch Ratings? Answer is 8%. Next question was, Raj Kiran Rai ji is the managing director and CEO of which bank? Answer is Union Bank of India. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Chartered Accountants Day? Answer is July 1st. Sixth question was, name the person who recently has stepped down from the post of chairman of International Cricket Council, that is ICC. Answer is Shashank Manohar. Which of the following day is celebrated as International Plastic Bag Free Day? Answer is July 3rd. The Kerala state government has launched Dream Kerala project for dash. Answer is expatriate. My Home My School scheme has been launched by which state to give students school-like environment at home to continue academic activities? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. And last question was, the world's first ever online BSc degree program in data science and programming has been launched by which of these Indian institutions? Answer is IIT Madras or Indian Institute of Technology Madras. These were the 10 questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which state has decided to increase the green cover through extensive plantation over 1.30 lakhs hectares of land recently? Answer is option number 4, Odisha. Recently, Odisha state government has decided to implement a new initiative called Sabuja Odisha, and this will increase green cover through extensive plantation over 1,30,264 hectares of land, around 1.30 lakh hectares of land where these seedlings can be planted has been identified in nearly 2,660 locations for plantation. Answer will be option number 4, Odisha. Odisha, look at the map. This is Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganeshi Lal. And Chief Minister of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Next question. Who has been appointed as the permanent representative of India to United Nations and other organizations in Geneva? Answer is option number 1, Indra Mani Pandey. Look at the image. This is Indra Mani Pandey, an Indian Forest Service officer of 1999 batch and additional secretary in Ministry of External Affairs, and he recently has been appointed as India's permanent representative and ambassador to the United Nations and other international organizations in Geneva, succeeding Rajiv Kumar Chandar. Answer will be option number 1. Second option is Vijay Khanduja. Recently, Vijay Khanduja has been appointed as the ambassador in Zimbabwe. Shambhu S. Jaishankar has been appointed as the ambassador in Philippines, and Rajiv Kumar is Indian ambassador in Finland. Next question. What is the name of India's Venus mission which is scheduled to be launched at the end of 2023? Answer is option number 2, Shukryan 1. The Swedish Institute of Space Physics will explore Venus for the second time through India's first Venus mission, Shukryan 1. The Shukryan 1 is scheduled for launch at the end of 2023 from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Answer will be option number 2. Next question. What is the theme of World Allergy Week 2020, which recently has been celebrated between June 28 to July 4? Answer is option number 4, Allergy Cares Does Not Stop with COVID-19. This was the theme of World Allergy Week, which recently has been celebrated between June 28 to July 14. World Allergy Week is an annual event initiated by the World Allergy Organization to raise awareness about the allergic diseases and the preventive measures of these diseases. And the theme of World Allergy Week 2020 was Allergy Care Does Not Stop with COVID-19. Answer will be option number 4. Next question. Which IIT along with AIIMS, that is All India Institute of Medical Science, doctors developed an app COVID-19 to track plasma donors who have recovered from COVID-19? Answer is option number 1, IIT Delhi. Recently, a team of IIT Delhi students have developed an app called COVID-19 along with All India Institute of Medical Science, which enables users to track willing plasma donors who have recovered from COVID-19, and the app has been launched on the occasion of National Doctors Day, which recently has been celebrated on July 1st. Next question, which state has launched Balram scheme to provide credit to landless farmers? Answer is option number 2, Odisha. Recently, Odisha state government has launched Balram scheme to provide agricultural credit worth rupees 1040 crore to landless farmers who have facing hardship due to the coronavirus outbreak. Answer will be option number 2, Odisha. Next question, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Cooperatives? Answer is option number 4, July 4. Recently, July 4th has been celebrated as the International Day of Cooperatives. International Day of Cooperatives is observed on the first Saturday of July every year. This day aims to raise awareness of cooperatives and extend the partnerships between the international cooperative movement and other organizations. And theme of 2020's International Day of Cooperatives was Cooperatives for Climate Action. Answer will be option number 4. Next question, who has released a book Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trends recently? Answer is option number 4, Venkaiah Naidu. Venkaiah Naidu is the Vice President of India, and recently Venkaiah Naidu has released a book called Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trends, and this book has been written by V. Pattabhiram. It is based on a survey of around 5,000 educators across India who were part of ICT Academy's Sky Campus Digital Knowledge Series. Answer will be option number 4. Next question, which institution has developed a classroom to home teaching setup called Mobile Masterji? Answer is option number 2, IIT Kanpur. Recently, IIT Kanpur has developed a classroom to home teaching setup that can record the lectures or instructions by the teachers while using their available smartphones. And this setup has been named as Mobile Masterji, which is a classroom to home teaching setup and will be very helpful to students in rural India. Answer will be option number 2, IIT Kanpur. Next question, what will be India's GDP growth rate in current fiscal year or financial year as estimated by CARE Ratings? Answer is option number 1, minus 6.4%. CARE Ratings is an India's second biggest care rating agency. It was founded in 1993. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, and recently CARE Ratings has estimated India's GDP growth rate for the current financial year, that is for 2020-21, as minus 6.4%. Answer will be option number 1. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, the center has announced the extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana till which month? Answer is option number 3, November 2020. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana till the month of November 2020. This Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana was announced on 26th of March 2020, and it was implemented from 1st of April 2020, and now it has been extended to November 2020. Answer will be option number 3. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Music Day? Options are June 21st, June 22nd, June 23rd, and June 24th. If you know answer of this question, you can write it to the comment section below, or we'll discuss question in the next video.